What if I told you there are websites out there doing exactly what your favorite apps charge you for, but they're completely free? They feel almost illegal to know, but they're real, totally real. Today, you're about to unlock 10 powerful websites you've probably never heard of, and once you do, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. These are the hidden gems of the internet, the ones big tech hopes you never discover. Let's dive into the digital underground. 1. Photopea. Imagine Photoshop without the subscription, without the downloads, without the headache. Photopea is Photoshop in your browser. No installs, no watermarks, no shady agreements. Just visit photopea.com and boom, a full-blown design studio right there in your browser for free. Want to edit a photo? Drag it in. Remove a background? Click, erase, done. Layering, masking, text effects, it's all there. And if you've ever used Photoshop, you'll notice something eerily familiar. Now you know why Adobe doesn't want you to know about it. 2. Z-Library. Need a book? A bestseller? A rare textbook? Z-Library is like a shadow library of the internet, offering millions of free ebooks and PDFs with just one click. Visit z-lib.io or search for a mirror. No ads, no sign-up, no weird redirects, just the book. Atomic Habits, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, it's all there. This one lives in a legal gray area, so check your local laws. But let's be real, it's the worst-kept secret on the internet. 3. Sketchfab. Designers, gamers, animators, this one's for you. Sketchfab is like YouTube, but for 3D models. Need a spaceship? A human skeleton? A 3D Pikachu? Search it, spin it, download it. With support for everything from architecture to medical illustrations, Sketchfab gives you professional-grade assets without the professional-grade price tag. 4. Ncase.me. This one is for thinkers. Ncase.me is a strange, beautiful corner of the web where deep ideas become addictively fun games. Created by a former Google engineer, these simulations teach you psychology, systems thinking, and game theory without you even realizing it. Try the evolution of trust or the madness of crowds. You're not just playing around, you're absorbing the way the world works. Dangerously addictive. In the best way. 5. BugMeNot. Use with caution. Ever get hit with a "please create an account" wall? BugMeNot helps you skip it. Head to bugmenot.com, type in the site, and you'll get shared logins from other users. It doesn't work everywhere, but when it does, it's like finding the master key. Again, use wisely and respect the terms of service. Still with me? If even one of these sites has surprised you so far, just wait. Because what's coming next? It's on another level. Smash that like button if you're loving this digital deep dive, and let's keep going. 6. PDFDrive. Use with discretion. Need free PDFs? Textbooks? Novels? Business guides? PDFDrive is like Google, but it only returns PDFs. Search it, download it, done. Some content may not be fully legal in every region. Use your judgment. Always respect copyright. 7. Project Gutenberg. This one's legal, legendary, and 100% free. Project Gutenberg is a digital library of over 60,000 classic books. Shakespeare, Jane Austen, Plato, Twain. Download in Kindle, EPUB, or plain text. No DRM, no paywalls, no nonsense. Just timeless words. Pure literary gold. 8. CleanPNG. Designers, this is your shortcut to cleaner, faster workflows. CleanPNG.com gives you millions of transparent PNGs. No watermarks, no weird cropping. Search fire, emoji, money. Drag, drop, done. Perfect for thumbnails, memes, or content design. 9. Unscreen. This one feels like magic. Unscreen removes video backgrounds without a green screen. Upload a clip, and within seconds, you've got your subject floating on nothing. Perfect for Reels, TikToks, explainer videos, or anytime you want pro-level effects without pro-level tools. 10. Quick Draw. Ever played Pictionary? With an AI? Quick Draw is a Google experiment where you draw something, like a cat or airplane, and the AI tries to guess it in 20 seconds. Sometimes it nails it, sometimes it's hilariously wrong, but every time, you're helping train one of the world's smartest AIs with doodles. Before we wrap up, here are 2 more you have to know about. Teep.ai. Need quick copy? Instagram captions? Ad copy? Teep turns keywords into sentences. Fast. Temp-mail.org. Need a burner email? This site gives you one that self-destructs. No spam, no hassle. That's 10 hidden websites. But trust me, we're just scratching the surface. Which one blew your mind? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found even one new favorite, subscribe to the Cache Files, your guide to the digital unknown. More secrets are waiting. Until next time, stay updated.